Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to enable cookies on Safari in iPhone. Why would you want to know how to enable cookies on Safari in iPhone? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to enable cookies on Safari in iPhone. So today I am going to show you how to enable cookies on Safari in iPhone. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Enabling cookies on Safari in iPhone is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will enable cookies on Safari in iPhone. First of all, open settings in your iPhone and now first scroll down this page until we found Safari and then type on it. And now again scroll down this page and then in privacy and shortcut section, click on toggle button to turn off block all cookies. And now your cookies has been enabled on Safari in iPhone. So there you go. If you were wondering how to enable cookies on Safari in iPhone, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.